By tapping into Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint makes it easy to enter and edit the data in a chart. In this lesson, you'll change chart data values, and you'll format a chart. We want to replace this sample data with this actual data from a customer survey. We'll also switch the rows and columns in the chart so that the data is displayed more effectively. Let's get started. In step 1, I'll click the chart to select it. Then, I'll go up and click the Chart Tools Design tab. Here in the Data group, I'll click the Edit Data button, and the worksheet opens. We'll start by replacing the legend labels. In step 2, I'll click the Series 1 cell, and I'll type Suite. Then I'll press Tab to move to the next cell in the row, and I'll type Food. Then I'll press Tab again, and type Overall. In step 3, I'll click the Category 1 cell. And before we continue, notice that the chart has been updated with the new legend labels. Back in the worksheet, I'll type Atlantic, and then I'll press Enter, which moves the active cell down to the next row. Now I'll type Prairie, I'll press Enter, I'll type Rockies, I'll press Enter, I'll type Pacific, I'll press Enter once more, and the chart in PowerPoint now shows the new labels. In step 4, I'll enter the correct data for the worksheet. And I'm just pressing the Tab key to move to each new row. You'll notice that as I change these values in the worksheet, the columns in the chart automatically update as well. And that's the last cell, so I'll press Enter. The horizontal or category axis on our chart currently shows the row labels from the worksheet, while the column labels are represented by the legend. But the chart would be more effective if these were swapped. So in step 5, I'll go up to the Data group, and I'll click the Switch Row Column button. And if nothing happens when you click this button, just click it again. And now the legend displays the row labels, and the column labels have moved to the bottom. In step 6, I'll close the worksheet, and then I'll click the Chart Title text box. In step 7, I'll type Guest Satisfaction, and then I'll click a blank area of the chart. Next, here to the right, I'll click the Chart Styles button. And over on the left, this gallery of styles opens. In step 8, I'll scroll down the gallery, and I'll click Style 6. Next, I'll click Color, and this gallery of color combinations appears. In the Colorful section, I'll click Color 2. This gives the column data markers a more professional look. Finally, in step 9, I'll click a blank area, and then I'll save the presentation. To try these steps yourself, and for some additional tips, and to learn about adding a hyperlink to a chart, turn to page PowerPoint 58 in your book.